body like calypso. Throwing it back, I'ma leave with my fist on. Yeah, I love it when you get low. I slow it down your back on your thighs when you get those. Once you move her hips.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If you are new here, my name is Billy J, and today I'll be reviewing Outre's Melted Hairline. I'm gonna be doing their Kinky Soft Edges collection in Kinky Soft 1 in the color Ginger Brown.
How are your edges doing, girlfriend?
Every day I fight the devil.
Can I get that shirt, by the way?
This can't fit you, Sophia.
Oh, you fucking mother.
My mom in it.
That's when it got past your big ass head.
But it's a crop top, love.
And if it fits you, love.
I am petite.
The only thing petite about you is that gap between your teeth.
And it is rather small. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, so the lights is giving the unit a little bit of shine on camera, but in person she is not at all. And those are peak at those soft kinky edges. They weren't lying.
These are soft. And that's how I know somebody at Outre got their hands on a sensational wig. And they said, what can we do that our competitor is not doing? If we want to do these kinky edges, what can we kinky soft? Just did, my last video was kinky edges, and that was sensational kinky edges. Those kinky edges were way more texture. 4C. Definitely 4C. If you want to keep this texture of it, you can't even pass this through the hot comb. And you're not going to hot comb right here.
Back construction is pretty standard. You got your 2 combs in the front, your adjustable band for glueless installs, and your 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. Not only was this wig a little bit too snug, the lace was not coming down to my sideburns. This should have been a side part as well. I'm already stressed out.
I'm a little scared. It's looking a little bit more Chewbacca. Let's part her. Let's shut up and part her. It's really, really snug on my head. Really snug.
Now, baby, the part must have been lost at sea. I had to go into my light bright concealer to define this part to even make it somewhat visible. I did decide to swoop these baby hairs simply because of the Kinky Soft Edges. I felt like the look required it, and they look pretty cute. This is how the unit comes out the box. You can wear it like this, but for me, because I am wearing the wigs, I like to wear my units outside, so I always like to customize them to how I would actually wear them if I'm going out. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm about to do, so enjoy.
Okay, this is she, and honestly I like her way better like this. Like, sometimes the layers that they put in it just gives synthetic. It gives synthetic, and when I put it on, it gave me like pageant girl vibes, and I think this is more like, you know, the everyday, and I am everyday round the way type of girl. So like, I would wear this to the club and it just looked real cunty, like, you know. I like how like it can be like very like non-structured, and then if you want, you can like brush it so it can look really structured. But I like everyday layers. Like, yeah, you could do lists, you know, this is my signature. I love, so you could do like one of these. This is also so cute, or whatever, or it's just more relaxed. Like, this looks like, it just looks very like I don't know, my hair. Yeah, like I will walk outside with this on. This is Outre's Melted Hairline Kinky Soft Edges, and I got her in a Ginger Brown Kinky Soft, and she's a 28. Obviously I cut her up. Yeah, I think this will be like a 22. Yeah, I think this, I love this color on me. Like, I just love how I be transforming these wigs. I really enjoy it. I really enjoy it. Sometimes I don't ever know what I'm doing. Like, and sometimes the cut doesn't make sense. In this case, she makes sense, so that's good. But yeah, this is the unit I got, Kinky Soft Edges. If you do like this unit, she will be up on my big cartel, so you can go ahead and get her. And yeah, One thing I would say about this unit is like this wig is definitely snug on my head. Like if I was to show you the sides don't even come all the way down, and that's crazy because I thought Outre would always have like a comfort fit hair type of thing. So that was weird that it really was not fitting on my head. Like I think it like literally, like you see that like right there, like it doesn't come all the way down on my head, which was just kind of like annoying because then it just turns into a closure instead of a frontal. Because I paid for this unit. How much did I pay for this unit? Let's see. It's $35.99, which is right. That is such a good price. Oh, that is. I love when you find like a little good steal. I love that. Yes, that is $35.99. Love that. Love that for me. I know this really wasn't a real tutorial, but I'm always gonna customize my wigs unless they just don't need customization. Sometimes these synthetic wigs, the textures, the layers are so universal. Rarely will you find a synthetic wig that has like all these layers. That's why when those specialty wigs come out with those layers, it's often catfish. It's never really the layers there. You have to go in and you have to define and you have to really do the extra step to really upgrade the style. So never really know what I'm going for until I go for it, and then I just love to flex the technique.
Like magic, they paying us on from way back when we fell in love.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Continue to stay beautiful, stay blessed, never stress, no less, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye. I love you.